These how to 1 minute will show you how to add confirm email field to contact form 7 forms. As you can see, I've created a contact form here using contact form 7, and here we can see your email field. And now I'm going to add a confirm your email field here. To do that, log into your WordPress dashboard and come to this plugin section and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here contact form 7 confirm email field, and now scroll down and in this first page here is not showing the plugin, so I'm going to clicking on next page, and now I'm again scrolling down, and this is the plugin we are looking for, contact form 7 confirm email field. So all you have to need just install and activate this plugin. Once the plugin activated, now click on contact, and this is the form I'm using on my WordPress site. So I'm going to clicking on edit, and here we can see your email field. I'm going to copying this field and pasting the field here, and I'm changing the level confirm your email, and now cut this part from here, and then through the plugin you will get this confirm field confirm email. So click on it and field type required field and click on insert tag. Once it's added, click on save, and now I'm going to reloading my contact us page, and as you can see your email and a confirm your email field has been added. Now let's see how it works. So here I'm adding some random information, your name, your email, and now in this confirm your email field I'm going to adding a different email and adding a subject here and clicking on submit, and here we can see one or more fields have an error, and the error is in this confirm your email field. Here this email is not matching with your email field, and here we can see it's matching now. Now I'm going to clicking on submit, and here we can see the mail has been sent. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.